Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Venmo credit card. To cancel your Venmo credit card, the first thing you need to do is to clear out any outstanding payments on your card. And once you've made sure of that, go ahead and launch open a web browser. In the URL box, type in help.venmo.com and search. Doing this will take you to your help center of Venmo. From the main home page, go ahead and click on the wallet button. Once you open up the wallet option, click on Venmo Credit Card. Once you open up the Venmo Credit Card options, click on Venmo Credit Card FAQs and scroll all the way down and click on Contact Us. Once you click on Contact Us, you will be able to see all of the contact numbers available. Call the number provided in order to contact the customer support for Venmo. After you make a phone call and they answer, mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card and follow through the instructions. And that way you will be able to cancel credit card on Venmo. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.